Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. I hope you're having a good day. In this video, I want to address three where questions as they relate to linear regression tables, specifically where they found, where they not found, and where they sometimes found. So where are they found? Well, obviously they're going to be found in the results section, but there's one place that a lot of people don't realize that they will also be found, and that's usually in chapters 1 or 2 in your conceptual model. It's just not going to be in the form of a table. We're going to create some sort of Venn diagram or a figure of some sort that visually represents this table. And if you'll do that, it will allow you to connect what you want to talk about in a place where our students typically want to put these tables, but you shouldn't. And that's at the very end in your synthesis or your conclusion section, the last chapter of your dissertation. Don't know why, but in the natural sciences, there's this tendency to put these tables, these linear regression tables, or the more, for want of a better term, fancy tables from, say, structural equation modeling or some sort of factor analysis. We want to put those tables in Chapter 5. And although the answer to the question of where they found results and modified in Chapters 1 and 2, were they not found, or should they not be found? Well, the answer to that is Chapter 5. By the time you get to Chapter 5, we should be done with presentation of results. You should be done with results. You should be done discussing them. What we want to know is synthesizing. What does all this information mean? Presenting me with another table doesn't bolster your argument. It's just another table to look at. Finally, when we say when or where they sometimes found. Well, this is actually has nothing to do with the dissertation. It has everything to do with getting it published. If you did some sort of analysis where you created linear regression models and you created a table, I would suggest that to people create a 3 to 5 page paper, pretty simple, very simple. Introduce your conceptual model, introduce a couple of paragraphs discussing that model, present this table with the results, and 1 or 2 paragraphs talking about it. Now, I realize what I'm asking you to do is condense about 3 years of your life into 3 to 5 pages, and that's not going to be easy. But if you can do that and then send it to the editor of a journal that you'd like to publish in, and just ask them, would you please look at this? Is this something your editorial board would be interested in presenting or publishing in the journal? By doing that, you give them the opportunity to say yes. What you don't realize is most people treat editorial boards like editors. In other words, they will write something that's not really ready for publication, but they'll just send it out there and then let the editorial board pick at it. If you'll take this extra step now, they will look favorably on you, and the likelihood of being published increases. I hope this video has answered some of your questions. Hope it's raised some questions. If it has, we'd love to hear them. Otherwise, I hope you have a good day.